Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS drop-down menu, display, box shadow, list style, and more. Let's start coding. I want to create a div with a class first, div.main, and press tab. Then the class has been created for us. Let me put a span for our main menu, list menu, and save it. Let's assign some class for list menu. I just need to type span and curly brace and background color red and color white, and let's save. It is our main button. Let's create another div inside our main div for our box. It means when we get our mouse on our menu, that box is going to show up. Div.box. Let's add some menu items. Li home, about, and contact. Let's save it. We see the dev box here. Let's assign some CSS to box. Background color red, color white. Save it. Let's add width 100 pixels and save it. Let's give some padding 10 pixels. Save it. And also I want to give a shadow effect on the box. Box shadow 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 0 pixel, and RGBA. Let's select a color, that color, and we can remove that things and just type alpha level and save it. We need to remove that RGB guys and save it. So you see the shadow effect guys. Let me get down, make it better. Let's talk about the depth values. Let me make it 0 each of them, going to be clearer so there is no shadow effect on our box. Let's assign 10. So it basically create another box under our main box and just move to that box 10 pixels right, and let's add that one, and also it moved to our box 10 pixels down, and that one is sort of opposite. Let me show it to you guys. You see it's not looking very sharp. Let's make it 50. It's very light. Let's make it 5. Let's make it 10. That is the difference. And that one is about coverage of the shadow. Let me make it 10 pixels for you guys. You see? Let's make it 5 pixels. That is the difference, guys. So I think box shadow is clearer at the moment. Let's remove white dot sign from our box, guys. I just need to add class for our li. Let's type li and curly brace, then list style none. So that dot has gone. Let's give some padding 5 pixel and save it. Let's make it cursor pointer to give that effect, guys. Let's add hover effect on it, guys. Li.hover. I want to change background color white and color red. Let's have a look at it. You see, guys, if you want you can assign border radius 10 pixel and save it. You can assign lots of different things depend on your project, guys. The box supposed to open when I get my mouse on list menu, so it must be invisible at this stage. Let's make it invisible. I just need to add a code here, display none, and save it. So we have made it invisible. Let's put hover effect on our list menu to allow the box show up itself. So that list menu is in our main class. So I need to add something in main class. Main hover dot box. and display block, and we save it. You see guys? So you can create drop-down menu like this with CSS. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.